we have a very wonderful topic to share today that will step up your trading game to another professional level. And this is Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement is a method developed by certain individuals to enable you make trading decisions without emotional bias and sentiments. In this lesson, we will discuss Fibonacci trading strategies. Fibonacci trading uses the golden ratio to determine entry and exit points for all time frames. It is commonly used on lower time frames like 1 hour time frames, 45 minutes time frame, and 30 minutes time frame. But also intraday, day trade, and swing traders can also use it in higher time frame to up their gain. Ratio-based trading is controversial because it does not always connect to the deal, but it removes emotional bias. Fibonacci retracements show support and resistance level. After a major move up or down, Fibonacci levels are determined to identify locations where the market may retrace before resuming the initial strong price move. Traders draw horizontal lines across a chart at a crucial Fibonacci retracement levels of 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. Due to trading experience, the 50% level is included in the Fibonacci number sequence. As an investor, you must analyze how each trading method fits into your market view. It is fine if Fibonacci retracement solutions does not fit your strategies. Fibonacci retracement strategies includes buy near the 38.2% retracement with a stop loss order below 50%. Buy near 50% with a stop loss order below 61.8%. Use Fibonacci retracement levels to take profits when selling at the top of the huge move. If the market retraces close to one of the Fibonacci levels and then resumes its prior move, you can use high Fibonacci levels of 168.1% and 261.8% to identify possible future support and resistance levels in the market move if the market moves beyond the high and low. For instance, let's assume a bullish trend from A to B, which is a lower high, and then we have the continuation of the move from C to D. Okay, you can see how the Fibonacci plays out. Also, in the British pound and the US dollar, we can see that our Fibonacci retracement level are being applied as a strategy for entry points. Let's see how to typically apply these Fibonacci retracements on the TradingView charts. We're going to be using the Bitcoin as an example. We know that Bitcoin was at $106,000 before it fell below $95,000. People that apply Fibonacci's level were able to spot this dump and then make certain profit for themselves. So let's see how it was done for Bitcoin sell action. You pick your Fibonacci tools here. You click Fibonacci retracements, and then we try to start from the highest points since you are looking for sell opportunity. So you go ahead and pick the line from the top of the day or the swing high, and then you bring it down to the swing low. Okay. Then you bring it down to the swing low. Then after that, you can tap it to fix your Fibonacci retracements. Okay, let's quickly change these parameters from 1 to 100%. So we can have 100% to 0%. You come and click here, these settings. Then you scroll down to find values. You click it and change it to percentage. You can see it has changed to 100% to 0%. You click OK. All right. So if you look at this point, you will see that Bitcoin, after this swing high, made a significant retracements, a valid point you must hold is that this swing high is marked by the fact that there's no other high after this. You have this very candle, but it's not breaking the last swing high. So that's the first point of applying Fibonacci strategy. So then you now allow price to retrace to either 50% or 61.8%. So you can see price here comes down and then retraces back to about 61.8%. So this is your entry point. It is, please note that this swing high was marked as our area of interest. So we are placing this strategy around our area of interest so as to get an opinion for trading without emotion. So when you get to this 61.8%, you can lock your sell in and use the 0% here as your take profits. Let's see how we can use Fibonacci strategy to spot buy action on the current Bitcoin price movements. So we come again, Fibonacci retracement, and then since we are looking out for buy action, we start from the swing low, and then we take it to the swing high. You can see the swing high, that's that point. And then you can extend it. That's the swing high. Good. $106,000. So you see that after the movements, you see Bitcoin trying to react around these 61.8% Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci levels are a psychological level for you to enter your trade. So traders are looking at buying here, and then you see the markets reacting at this point and going up. After that, the market comes down again to that same point and it's about to shoot high. So this is how you apply Fibonacci strategy for those looking at adding this to their strategy. If you have any question concerning these Fibonacci retracement strategies, please kindly drop it in the comment section. We will do well to reply you. You can also join our community page on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on YouTube. We are raising and empowering the youth so that everyone can have a say at Top Forex Academy. Now let us see the questions we have for you on this topic to refresh your knowledge and to see how much you have learned. You can try them on your own and you can drop your answers or response to our comment section. Thank you for your attention. Kindly subscribe to this channel, and also you can sign up with our link to get 50% deposit bonus on all your deposits. Also to get $100,000 demo account for your learning. You can also get 100% deposit bonus on your live account if you use our promo code, which will be somewhere in our bio or the description of this video. Please visit our website, bit.ly/topforex, and also follow us on Instagram, Top Forex Acad. Follow and like our fan page on Facebook and on X. Let's know how much profit you're making. Let's see how much you're improving, and let us also know how much we can help you to improve further. See you some other times, and bye for now.